Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. Just a very brief one today. I popped into B&M again, and as appear we've got something new that I've not seen here. So if you look here, we've got the albizia drabensis, or your Persian silk tree. And as you can see, flowers on these are lovely. Very cool, almost kind of like feather-like type fronds. I was almost mistaken from afar that I thought we could have had a cyathea in here from very far away when I first saw it. But yeah, just wanted to show you that one there. As I say, coming in at £32.50. Now, with this here, just to give you the kind of rough information on it, they're saying down to about minus 10C. I think you're probably a little less than that, and especially for its first year in the ground. But with that said, as you can see, a couple other very large Trachycarpus palms have come in. These ones are looking to have approximately sort of 5 foot of trunk on that side, so a fairly good one here. You've also got one of the olive cloud trees, it looks like. They're trying to do it this, so olive bonsai, saying it's £100 on here, and that's the olive alia Europea. And lastly on that one, guys, you've got one of the very large olives here, which you can see. Now obviously moving these could be a bit of an interest here, yeah, with that said, really just wanted to show you that small palette here today. Again, just something new, and of course always nice to kind of see some of the new stuff coming in, and again, another tropical to add to the list here. But with that said, of course, if you're not part of the channel, feel free to subscribe and join our amazing community. Try and keep everyone up to date with these new ins as soon as I can see them, and our store generally does seem to get them in sooner than some others. So yeah, with that said, join the channel. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. And of course, with that said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.